Record this.
All right, we are going from where the pipe has been cut towards the manhole. All right, this is the fitting right before the manhole where it splits up to go to the wellness center, a few feet from the manhole. So it's beautiful, clean all the way to the manhole. We're just a few feet from it. We just can't push the camera any further. We've jetted from the manhole and also from the ditch, both directions. Pulled everything out so we know the pipe's clean. I'm just going to keep recording all the way back to our entry point. All right, now we're going to go same ditch back up under the building. Alright, so this is the start of the belly that we saw from the other side when we were coming out. So we've already recorded up to this point. I've already got all this on video. So we can tell you how far it is from. So the start of the belly is about 30, I'd say probably about, let's come back to 30 feet. Yeah, 30 feet from where the pipe's cut outside. So all the lines have been inspected, all the debris is now clear and gone. The only issue with the pipe, as you saw in the previous video, is the belly. So I'm just gonna let it record as I pull back. All right, so we're back out of the pipe. There's the outlet, inlet to the ditch. This is John with I Find Leaks. Thanks for watching.